In this video, we are going to create a Pandas data frame. Sometimes you've got information that you want to bring into your analysis, and that information is not stored anywhere. It's not stored on your local computer, so you can't use a pd.read underscore CSV or pd.read underscore Excel. You can't also read it from an HTML site. Let's say that information is in your head. To bring that information onto your analysis, you need to create a data frame. And there are two methods that you can use to create a data frame. The first method is creating a data frame from a dictionary, and the second method is creating a data frame from a Numpy array. First, let's look at how to create a data frame from a dictionary. I'm going to call my dictionary D. So to create a data frame from a dictionary, you need to first create a dictionary. And a dictionary, my dictionary is called D. A dictionary has got curly brackets on the outside. And in my dictionary, let's say I want to store some information on the Indian Premier League, which is a cricket league that gets played in India. Let's say I want to store the winners by year, the winners of the IPL title by year. So here I'm going to have a column for year, and in this column I'm going to have the winners for 2015, let's say 2016, this is the past 5 years, 2017, 2018, and 2019, right? And then the second column, so this is the year that these teams won this IPL, and the second column is the winners column, or you can call it anything, it doesn't matter, but I am just going to, in fact, let me write team here rather than winners. Team colon, so it's the name of the column in inverted commas, and then you add a colon, and then after the colon you put in the information that's going to be on your column, or you essentially write in your column. So in 2015, it was the Mumbai Indians that won the IPL. Now notice same rules apply. If it's a string, I put it in inverted commas even inside the square brackets, and if it's a number, I do not put it in inverted commas. So the Mumbai Indians won this cup in 2015, and in 2016 it was Sunrisers Hyderabad, and then in 2017 it was again Mumbai Indians. 2018 it was the Chennai Super Kings, CSR, and in 2019, last year, it was the Mumbai Indians again. Now let's run this and see how our dictionary looks. I go D. That's how the dictionary looks, and now let us create a data frame from this. So I'm going to call my data frame df, and then I am going to call upon pd.DataFrame. That's the function in Pandas that creates the data frame, and then I'm going to specify inside data frame that the data that I want the function to use to create this data frame is D, which is that dictionary there. And then if you run this, and then now let me go df, and I run that, and there's our data frame. There's the years and they are the teams. Now let's create a data frame from a Numpy array. In order to use Numpy, we've got to import it. So I'm going to import Numpy as np, and then I run this. It's run successfully, and now this is how I create my data frame. I'm going to call it df1, and this is how I create it from Numpy. It's the same formula, it's the same function, data frame, open and close parentheses, and then inside the data frame function I call upon the numpy array np dot array, and then I open and close parentheses, and this is going to be long, so I'm just going to open that up a little bit, and then I create two sets of inverted commas. This is just how to create a numpy array, but it's two sets of inverted commas, and then I'm going to have my pairs. You remember in the first example where we created the dictionary, we first created a column of years and then we created a column of teams. Here we are going to create pairs of year, team, year, team, year, team. So let's go 2015. MI 2016, comma, SHR, and then I do that, oops, for 2017, MI 2018, CSK, not CSR, I made a mistake there, CSK, and for 2019, MI. Okay, and now we've created our numpy array, and then we need to specify the names of the columns, and inside the DataFrame function we specify that the columns are year and team. I can bring this down here and then just close this, and now let me run my DataFrame, and that did not run successfully. It's complaining about something. It says columns is an invalid keyword argument for array. So what it's telling me is that I put my columns argument, which was meant for DataFrame, inside the numpy array, and I can see that now. That last bracket, that second last bracket, or that inner bracket, belongs to the numpy array, and just quickly fix that. And year, winners, team rather. That should run successfully. It's run successfully, and let's call our DataFrame and see how it looks. And there you go. It's exactly like what we have above. We've got the years and we've got the team. And that is how you create a DataFrame in Pandas. See you in the next video. Cheers.